आवाज आ रहा है, बोलो। काम बैठे नहीं।
Hello ladies, welcome to Mugdad Studio. This is Kavya. So regular గా different kind of sarees మనం చూస్తూనే ఉంటాం. In this live, I'm going to show you beautiful fancy organza floral sarees అన్నమాట. సో చాలా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి విత్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిజైన్స్ అండ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ అన్ని కూడా చాలా చాలా సూపర్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ లైవ్. నేనైతే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నా శారీ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెరూన్ కలర్ శారీ. ఇది కూడా మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ ఆర్గెన్జాలో వచ్చింది. వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ నైస్ డిజైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద శారీ. లుక్ అయితే చాలా చాలా గ్రాండ్గా ఉంది. ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ద పల్లు, it has very nice floral design all over the pallu and the saree, and I have styled up with nice jewelry. So next sarees ani kuda చూపించేస్తాను which are in mannequin. This is a beautiful blue color saree, same na saree pattern ni. It has very nice floral design and మనకి ఇక్కడ antique zari కూడా ఇచ్చారు in the border, and saree అంతా కూడా checks వచ్చాయి. Very beautiful saree it is. సో నెక్స్ట్ శారీ చూసేద్దాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బేబీ పింక్ కలర్ శారీ. మనకి 2 డ్యూయల్ షేడ్లో ఉంది. ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ శాండల్వుడ్ కలర్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకి పింక్ కలర్ ఇచ్చారు, అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ సిల్వర్ జరీ ఆన్ ద బార్డర్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ద డిజైన్ పార్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ నైస్ హ్యాండ్మేడ్ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ కూడా వచ్చింది విత్ మల్టిపుల్ కలర్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్రంట్ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఆన్ అనదర్ శారీ. చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. యూ కెన్ వేర్ ద శారీ ఫర్ ఎనీ అకేషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ద డిజైన్ పార్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ లైక్ మల్టిపుల్ కలర్స్, లైక్ ఆల్ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ పింక్స్ అండ్ గ్రే కలర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ నైస్ జరీ వర్క్ ఆన్ ద బార్డర్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్. సో ఆన్ ద పల్లు వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ doll design. So if you look at the design part, it has very nice color designing also. And మనకి border కూడా we have antique zari, and it has very nice finishing also. If you look at the back side also, it has very nice finishing with all the zari work. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. This is a beautiful cream color saree with all over floral print, and also we have very nice golden zari on the border. It has multiple colors like mustard yellow, blue color, green color. This is all over the look of the saree. We have same design top to bottom. This is another beautiful saree with the contrast border. Saree anta kuda we have in brinjal color, and we have dark pink color border. Maniki chala colorful ga kanipistundi. Both are dark colors, and we have very nice work all over the saree. We have silver zari and golden zari checks. All over look anta kuda chala bagundi, and we have very big border for the saree. So ladies, to place the order, మీరు చేయాల్సిందల్లా just take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to this WhatsApp number. Note the number 9949047889. So let's have a look on another saree. This is a beautiful green with red color border. If you look at the design part, we have all over checks with golden zari, and also we have silver zari booties like multiple color. మనకి multiple ga icharu with golden zari and silver zari, and we have very rich border with completely golden zari work. Very nice and traditional looking saree it is. And here is the pallu. This is all over complete look of the pallu with all over golden zari and silver zari combination. This is the blouse we have. Very grand and rich looking blouse we have with all over golden zari and silver zari combination. And ee saree price vachesi it is 5999. To place the order, contact this number, send your favorite saree pic to this WhatsApp number. Let's have a look on another saree. This is also beautiful organza saree which we have floral print. So if you look at the color combination, it is in peach color and we have floral print all over the saree, and also we have very beautiful handmade thread work on the border, and all over the saree we have this thread work which is in same peach color. Very beautiful finishing we have on the border. Like if you look at the design part of this thread work, we have very nice finishing also. This is all over front look of the saree, and here is the pallu. On the pallu also we have handmade thread work which is in peach color, and also we have add-ons thread hangings kuda icharu. And here is the blouse. Very beautiful blouse we have for the saree, and the price for the saree is 6,559 rupees. So let's have a look on another beautiful saree which is in blue color. It is an ink blue, and we have So if you wanted to have an option in my saree, this is for you. Another option which is in blue color, ink blue it is, and we have all over checks with antique zari, and we have floral print with multiple colors. This is also a very pretty looking saree, and we have border with antique zari completely. It has very nice grand look. This is the pallu. All over look of the pallu, we have very nice grand looking organza saree kabatti manaki chaala manchi shiny look kuda undi saree lo. This is the blouse. Same ink blue lo ochindi, and we have very nice border and floral print kuda undi. And ee saree price vachesi it is 5,499 rupees. Inko saree chuseddam immediate ga. These are all our organza floral sarees. This is one more beautiful green color saree. It is in parrot green, and we have bottle green color border. Both are green colors, and we have very nice design all over the saree. We have checks with golden and silver zari combination, and also we have very nice booties. If you look at the border part, it has very nice finishing and it looks very nice. So you can wear this saree for any event like a traditional go, or you can also go with some fancy look. This is the pallu which is in bottle green color, and here is the blouse with very beautiful border, and the price for the saree is 5,999. So to place the order, take a screenshot and send it to the number. Let's have a look on another saree. So ivanni kuda floral organza sarees which will give you the elegant and nice grand look. So don't miss this live last varaku chudandi so that you can pick the perfect saree for you. This is a beautiful saree with multiple colors like mana grey color, and we have very nice red color in the saree. Straight lines though we have this design, and if you look at the border part, we have antique zari. Very beautiful saree it is, and it is also very lightweight, and the attraction part is this pallu. Look at the pallu, we have very nice art in this. So this is a different kind of saree. If you haven't tried, eppudu try cheyakapothe kachithanga try cheyandi. Have a try on this saree, don't miss it. And here is the blouse which is in maroon color. Mainga we have maroon color kabatti we have blouse also in maroon color with antique zari border. And the price for the saree is 6,559 rupees. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately because we have limited time and limited stock. Don't miss this amazing collections. This is one more beautiful mustard yellow color saree with all over floral design, and also we have checks with silver zari. And if you look at the border part, we have golden zari design all over the border, and this will also give you a nice elegant look because it is in mustard yellow color and we have floral design. This is the pallu. This is the all over look of the pallu. This is the blouse. We have all over design with floral print and also checks with golden zari. And the price for the saree is, it is 5,499 rupees. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately. Let's have a look on another beautiful royal blue color saree with pink color border. I love this saree. Look at the design part. It has very nice look. We have fancy and traditional look in this saree. Depending upon your styling, you can style up. So if you look at this design part, we have all over checks with golden and silver zari combination, and we have very beautiful border which is in soft pink, and we have very nice work all over the saree. Here is the pallu which is in pink color, and this is the blouse. Very beautiful soft pink color blouse. We have contrast with an amazing border. And the price for this lovely saree is 5,999 matrame. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately. Let's have a look on another saree. This is one more beautiful saree which is in lighter shade of peach color, and we have all over floral print, and also we have amazing thread work, handmade thread work ochindi. It has very nice finishing also. We have very nice design. Very elegant looking saree it is. And here is the pallu. All over pallu we have thread work which is in white color. Complete white color thread work icharu. And here is the blouse with floral print on peach color. And the price for the saree is, it is 6,559 rupees. So take a screenshot and place the order. These are all floral organza sarees which will give you the best look. This is the beautiful saree. Wow, this is very funky and it is very nice looking saree. Mainly we have like black color highlight in this saree, and we have mustard yellow color and red color combination all over the design. And if you look at the border, it is in mehendi green color, somewhat this green color, and we have very nice zari work which is in golden color. Very lightweight organza saree it is. And here is the pallu. This is the complete look of the pallu. We have antique zari in the pallu and the border. Blouse also, it is very nice. We have all over design with floral print, and also we have antique zari border. And the price for the saree is, it is 5,499 rupees matrame. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately. So don't miss this live last work chudandi, so that you can pick the perfect saree for your skin tone. So eppudu try cheyani colors try cheyalanunte kuda you can try. This is one more beautiful Krishna blue color saree with the parrot green color border. Very traditional looking saree it is. Have a look. So if you look at the design part, we have all over checks with golden and silver zari combination, and we have very beautiful border with very nice green color, parrot green it is, and we have golden zari work. Don't miss this saree, it is very beautiful. Here is the pallu. Very nice color combination, and we have fantastic design. This is the blouse which is in parrot green color, and we have very nice border also. Very lightweight saree. So this saree price which is, it is 5,999 matrame. Take a screenshot and place the order immediately. So ladies, let's have a look on another beautiful floral organza saree. I'm showing you all the color combinations. You can check out with your favorite saree with skin tone మీకు బాగా మ్యాచ్ అయ్యే శారీని చూస్ చేసుకోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ డ్యూయల్ షేడ్ శారీ విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ బ్లూ కలర్ అండ్ పిస్తా గ్రీన్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. యూ కెన్ సీ ద డిఫరెన్స్ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్. And we have organza saree, this organza saree with floral print, and also we have this thread work with beautiful peacock design, and we have equal borders with silver zari. This is the pallu, all over pallu look it is. And let's have a look on the blouse. Very beautiful color we have, which is in blue color, and also we have silver zari border. And the price for this saree is, it is 6,559 rupees matrame. Take a screenshot and place the order immediately. This is one more beautiful saree which is similar to my saree, and if you look at the color combination, it is in darker shade of blue color. It looks like black, but it is not black. And we have very beautiful work with antique zari design. We have all over checks. And also we have very nice flowers with the floral print. And if you look at the antique zari border, this fabulous. It has very nice finishing also. Here is the pallu. Very beautiful work we have all over the saree and the pallu. And here is the blouse, which is in blue color, and we have antique zari border. And the price for this saree is, it is just 5,499 rupees matrame. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately. Let's have a look on another saree. Wow, very beautiful greens we have in the saree. If you are a green lover, you can go with the saree. It has very nice designing also. We have parrot green in the center of the saree, which is main look. And we have border with dark green, forest green ochindi. And we have very nice design all over the saree. Complete look of the saree it is. And here is the pallu. Pallu low we have silver zari combination with golden zari. It has very nice look. And this is the blouse, which is in bottle green color, darker shade of green color, and we have amazing border. And this saree price which is, it is 5,999. So ladies, take a screenshot and place the order immediately. And I'm at road number 2, Banjara Hills. You can also visit the store and shop happily. So I'm showing you both zari work combination and also thread work. So ippadi varaku I have shown you zari work and thread work kuda chuinchanu. This is completely thread work ochina border. Saree anta kuda we have in peach color with all over floral design. If you look at the border part, we have very nice white color thread work which is handmade. And if you have look at the back side also, it has very nice cut off like extra threads kanivandi ala. This is the pallu. Pallu is fabulous and fantastic. It has very nice finishing and look is also very pretty. This is a floral print blouse on peach color. And the price for the saree is, it is 6,559 rupees. So asal alasam cheyakunda take a screenshot and place the order. And this is a beautiful dual shade saree. So if you look at the color combination, it has a black and grey color combination. At the center we have grey color, and we have antique zari border. All over saree we have floral print. And this is the pallu, and this is also a very light floral organza saree, and we have all over checks with golden zari. This is an amazing blouse we have. Saree anta grand ga on the blouse kuda manaki ante grand ga vachindi. And the price for this lovely saree is 5,499 rupees matrame. Wow, one more beautiful saree which is in green color and red color combination. This color will always give you nice traditional vibes, so you can carry the saree for any event like traditional functions ela unte. You can go with this and also you can wear the saree for weddings also. And we have all over design with the golden and silver zari combination, checks or chai. And if you look at the border, we have very bright orangish red color, and we have golden zari and silver zari combination in the border. This is the pallu. Pallu also we have orangish red color. This is completely contrast red color blouse for this green color saree. Very very amazing it is, and the price is, it is 5,999. So we are getting the saree for 5,999. Very very reasonable price. So take a screenshot and place the order immediately. Wow, this is one more beautiful saree which is in pista green color. So this is a rare color combination, and this organza floral saree. We have wonderful floral print. If you look at the saree, we have very nice rose flowers, and we have thread work on the border. Very nice white color thread work, handmade thread work we have on the border, and also on the saree we have small circle type of thread work. Very colorful and bright looking saree it is. This is the pallu. Very beautiful pallu. And here is the blouse, which is again in pista green color with all over floral print. And the price for this lovely saree is 6,559 rupees. Take a screenshot and place the order immediately if you like this saree. This is one more beautiful saree. Kalamkari print ochindi ee saree lo. So ladies love this collection. So if you look at the color combination, it is completely jet black, and we have all over print. Kalamkari print ochindi with the wonderful color combinations like yellow color, blue colors and orange colors are highlight of the saree. And we have antique zari border. I'm showing you the thread border and also zari borders, so you can choose according to your taste. And here is the pallu with antique zari completely. Here is the blouse, same black color lo ochindi, and we have antique zari border. And the price for this lovely saree is 5,499 rupees only. Take a screenshot of this saree. It is very very lovely. This is a beautiful wine color saree with orange color border. Very rare color combination. And we have all over design with the golden and silver zari combination. If you look at the design part, it is very very nice. And we have very bright fresh orange color border with antique zari design and golden zari. Pallu we have completely in contrast orange color, and also we have silver zari in it. Very nice saree, don't miss it. And here is the blouse, very bright orange. You can go with the order for this orange color. And the price is, it is just 5,999. Take a screenshot and place the order immediately. And I'm at road number 2, Banjara Hills. You can also visit the store and shop happily. This is one more beautiful saree which is in light shade of cream color, and also we have one layer of shade with green color, and we have border with the golden zari, completely golden zari border.